In this video, I do want to talk about Verasity. Verasity is currently reversing right here. You guys can see on the Hotcoin sheet, things are looking pretty good. I mean, this is a clear reversal. We know on the Hotcoin sheet, when we turn green, things tend to be looking pretty good. But in this video, we're going to be having a look at the regular Japanese original candles right here. We're going to be talking about the BitGet delisting Verasity in just a second. But before that, I do want to have a look at the total market cap of crypto right here. So the total market cap right now is currently sitting at $3.44 trillion. It looks like we do have a massive order block right here. That's, the altcoins, Bitcoin is having a very, very difficult time pretty much breaking this level at 3.45. I would really like to see a break from here and go to the next order block, maybe 3.5, 3.55, 3.6, and maybe consolidate around here before pretty much breaking out of here. But obviously, if we do fail to break that, I wouldn't be surprised if we go back and retest 3.25. If we do break 3.25, you could expect a massive, correction or longer form crash. Not only on Bitcoin, but on altcoins as well. So this is what's happening for the total markup. You guys can see also that the regular RSI did flip over the 50 moving average, which is a bullish sign. So we are trending above the 50 moving average or the 50% on the RSI once again, which is obviously what we want to see. We want to see crypto trending above the 50, not only above the moving average, but also above the 50% on the RSI. And also, guys, the reason why we could come back down and retest this level is that's where most altcoins, including Bitcoin, together on average has been traded. So this is a very, very important point of control level. If Bitcoin doesn't hold this, assuming we do come back down and retest this, and the reason why I'm saying Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is king at the very moment, and 60% or close to 60% of the market cap is currently sitting on Bitcoin. We could see a further downtrend, which means that Verasity will most likely pretty much come back down. Now, before I have a look at that, let's have a look at VRA. Why did BitGet delist VRA exactly? Well, we know that the volume hasn't been so high for Verasity. You guys can see that most of the volume is coming from KuCoin. So if we actually scroll down right here, we could see that $5.5 million is actually coming from KuCoin. So I don't want to say most, but a big chunk of it's coming from KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, barely buy it. You guys can see MEXC is not really generating any volume, $817,000, so right under 1 million. And of course, BitGet went along to decide to pretty much delist Verasity. Now, of course, the market has been a little bit shaky right now. Bitcoin hasn't been making big moves. A lot of people are waiting for Bitcoin, which in my opinion, altcoins are supposed to be pumping when Bitcoin is consolidating. This is the perfect time, but right now altcoins are still acting up. So we're going to have to see what happens here. By the way, if you guys are interested in getting a $30,000 bonus right here, exclusive, my link will be in the description below. You could sign up with TOOBIT 7 days. So make sure you guys click on the link in the description below if you guys are interested. Anyways, having a look at VRA real quick, back to Verasity, traded right here at 0051. One of the biggest questions I pretty much get in, my videos or on Twitter is, can Verasity go back to an all-time high? Well, if I actually have a look right here at the all-time high and we look at the all-time market cap, we know the all-time market cap was sitting at roughly $558 million. Now, the price was obviously different. It will be different. Sorry, 0.085, 8.5 cents. Now, if we were to go back in price range, not market cap, then the market cap would be $800 million, maybe a little bit less than that. So that's what's happening right now. So can it go in terms of price? Yes. Market cap, definitely. Are we going to see that 1 billion, 2 billion? Maybe, maybe not. Guys, Verasity is very, very low, and I don't know what's going on with VRA. The tech is there. The team is kind of there, shaken up a little bit. Maybe there's not so much transparency, but it's been pretty disappointing. The price action has been disappointing. I'm not going to lie. VRA, the community is massive. People are huge on Twitter. $50 million market cap. The volume used to be really, really high on this, $21 million. I don't know who was farming VRA, but obviously whoever did farm VRA is not probably killed the project. Let's just say that. Anyways, total supply sitting at 96 million billion token right here. And another thing why I'm bullish on VRA, and the reason why I'm not so excited for VRA anymore, and not that I sold my VRA whatsoever, is that it's been very, very annoying because every stupid pump that we get, it gets cheated. I don't know who is selling the pumps, but instead of letting crypto flow, Verasity flow, every 10%, 15% pump, 100, 2x pump, it gets cheated. And it just becomes very, very frustrating. Right now, it looks like the total market cap is currently coming down, as you guys can see. And if we have a look at VRA, it is actually down, 3% since the beginning of this video. So like I said, guys, if we don't actually break above this order block, which is very, very thick, we could actually see a retest to 3.24. And like I said, this could result in pretty much Verasity coming back down. So that's what's happening right here. Obviously, if we have a look right here on the daily time frame, we do have some nice order blocks right here, which is pretty bullish. So we got buy orders right here, which is nice. We got another buy order block right here, which is nice. So if we do break this support region or this trend line, we're most likely going to come back down and retest 31, and then after that 25. I don't see that happening anytime soon. But of course, things are looking pretty bullish. If we're talking Heiken-Ashi candles right here, we know historically when we do get a nice little doji right here, followed by 2 green Heiken-Ashi, this is a nice strong reversal, kind of like how we saw it right here and right here. So these reversals tend to be very accurate. When we do get 3 red candles, we tend to pretty much go to the downside like we saw right here. And this is why I do like to trade Heiken-Ashi. I mean, Heiken-Ashi candles are pretty accurate. I really like them. By the way, if you guys are interested in joining my Diamond Trading Signal member and you guys are a serious trader, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. You will pretty much join my VIP, my private Discord, and that's about it. So overall, guys, $50 million for Verasity. I would really like to see Verasity, you know, break that $200 million, you know, market cap. I know we've seen rejection at 112, 150, you know, 80. I would really like to see Verasity break $200 million in order for me to be ultimate bullish again. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.